This is my lock screen. It has the time, the date, the temperature, the precipitation, the moon phase, quick access to the flashlight and the camera, and a personal note to myself. All this is done with a simple and free app that Samsung has given us to use it to customize your lock screen. And this is what I'll be showing to you today. How you can customize your lock screen using GoodLock. So let's dive right into it. First, let's download the GoodLock app from the Galaxy Store. GoodLock is a free Samsung app, but you don't find that in the Play Store. You need the Galaxy Store. Open the Galaxy Store, search for GoodLock, download it. It's free. Once it's open, you'll see a bunch of modules. There are mini apps. These are mini apps that each customize a different part of your phone. Today, we are focusing on one module specifically, and it is called Lockstar. Tap Lockstar. Now, let's build your lock screen. Once you open Lockstar, it opens and you can see your current lock screen with edit options below. This is where the magic actually happens. We can tap on the clock here, and all the preloaded information is already here. We have the three dots where we can actually select the fonts, which is not in here. You can select if it is thinner, bold, and all in between. And this one is the fun one, which has been added by Samsung lately. It goes around your image in the picture. Pretty nice. Definitely pick something that feels like you. I went with a clean, minimal style that's easy to read at a glance. Now let's add the weather information. Tap at the widgets section. Let's select the weather. And we have a bunch of options in here. You can even select the moon phase, the precipitation, the sunrise and sunset, the UV if you would like, the AQI as well. This pulls live data based on your location, so it's always accurate and always current. Now, this is a simple one, but I really love it. You can add a custom message at the bottom of your lock screen. A motivational quote, your name, a reminder, anything you want. Just tap the lock star, add text. Here you can add anything you want. Type your message and you are done. And here we can select the font, the size, the alignment, the transparency, and all the colors. By default, Samsung gives you a flashlight and camera shortcuts on your lock screen, but you can change that with any app you want. Tap the shortcut, select whatever app you use the most. I kept flashlight and the camera because honestly, those are the two things that I grab foremost. But here we can see we have a bunch of options. Even your apps, you can download it in here. Let's make it actually look good. Tap on the wallpaper and you can see all the preloaded information and options that you have here. I love the ones from the Galaxy Themes app. You can download it and apply that directly to your lock screen. This is where your lock screen goes from the default to something that actually feels like yours. Try a few combinations. Find the one that actually works for you. And this is what I ended up with. Clean, useful, and completely personal. I wanted to show you here, if you click on the lock star, you have a bunch of new options. You can set your lock screen timeout, you can do lock item, you can change it to anything you want, all the options and all the colors. You can even change your around the camera here, you could change the color to anything. You can add other widgets as well. For example, if you want to add a calendar, you can add that in here. 3 things before I let you go. The first one is if the GoodLock app is not available in your country, you can download it as an APK directly from the Samsung website. Just Google it, GoodLock app Samsung APK. And that you can download it and it will be available to you. Second, Lockstar upgrades regularly. And if you don't see something that I just showed you, just remember to update your Lockstar. Third, don't over customize it. I see people adding a bunch of things in the screen that doesn't keep it clean. So remember to keep it clean and keep useful to you. Okay, that's it. You have now your perfect lock screen done with the Lockstar using the Good Lock app. And if this helped you, please leave a like in this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you a lot more details on the Samsung and all the customizations you can do using the Good Lock app. And as well, drop your lock screen screenshot in the comment section. Let me see what you guys have in your lock screen. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.